Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, before we kick off, yes, a blessed day to all Chelsea fans around the world. Happy day to all Chelsea fans around the world. Some people are saying that we should not celebrate because we are Chelsea. Chelsea winning Conference League is normal. We should not celebrate. Yes, that is a shame on the part of Chelsea fans celebrating. That video is coming. I have a video for that. The reason why Chelsea fans we celebrated this Conference League, we know that is not our level. We know we are Chelsea, but it has a reason. It has a reason, and that video is coming. That reasons are coming. Yes, guys. So, guys, Chelsea in search for a striker continues. Chelsea searching to sign as a striker continues. And as the season was about to end, Osimhen, Victor Yogris, Ekitike, Liam Delap, all these strikers' names were on the list of Chelsea. And as we are speaking now, from reliable sources, Chelsea are now closing the deal to sign Liam Delap, one of these strikers Chelsea interested. Liam Delap, Ipswich Town striker. Yes, and he had 30 million release clause. So information said that Chelsea is ready to activate that release clause. Chelsea is ready to sign Liam Delap. And Liam Delap is closer to join Chelsea. And if you have been watching me, for me, I wanted Chelsea to go for Osimhen, Yogris, yes, those strikers, Isak and co, those strikers who have the numbers, who have the proof, yes, who we can rely on, experienced strikers. But in this case, Chelsea is now want to sign Liam Delap, or Chelsea is closer to agree a deal to sign Liam Delap. Yes, and it look possible as we are speaking now. It look possible. And guys, Chelsea signing Liam Delap. Our fear was that the guy, he is inexperienced player. He is young player, 22 years of age. And in argument, someone may even say he is not better than Jackson. I keep on saying it here. And yes, when we look at numbers, he's not better than Jackson. So, looking at him as a player, what he had first season in the Premier League, this season he scored 12 goals. Yes. So, because of his inexperience, because we can't rely on him, because we saw it already in Chelsea, especially this season with our Nicolas Jackson. We saw it. Nicolas Jackson, he hasn't proven it anywhere. He's not that typical number 9 we want. And when Jackson is playing, we can see that inexperience in him. When Jackson is playing, we can see that Chelsea needs a striker. Someone who is better than Jackson. Someone who is ahead of Jackson. So that's why we are signing a striker. It isn't that Chelsea doesn't have a striker. Currently, we have 3 strikers. We have Nkunku. Almost 4. We have Nkunku. We have Jackson. We have McGill. We have Kellerman. 4 strikers. Yes. Kellerman is a striker. McGill is a striker. Nkunku is a striker. Jackson is a striker. But they are not doing what we want. They are not giving us the goals. So that is why Chelsea is going back to the market to sign a striker. So for that matter, if Chelsea will sign a striker, now what should Chelsea do? Chelsea should learn from their mistakes by not signing the same pattern of strikers they signed already. By going for an upgrade version of the strikers we have currently. But now, when we look at Delap, as we are speaking now, his numbers, where he came from, he's the same as the current strikers we have now. And if not, Nkunku came to Chelsea and things didn't work this season, even Delap is not a mate to Nkunku. Delap is not better than Nkunku. Yes, until this season, things didn't work for Nkunku. But for Jackson, if Jackson is not better than Delap, but Delap is not better than Jackson. So that is why some of us, we were hoping that, or saying, come here, open our mouth to 360 degrees, come here, throw our saliva to the mic. Yes, keep on telling the others, bring us experienced striker, bring us experienced striker like Victor Osimhen, Isak, and Victor Yogris, who and who, says yes, who and who. But now, as I said, information said that Chelsea is closer, yes, to agree a deal to sign Liam Delap. Yes. And guys, in fact, Chelsea signing Liam Delap, for me, I keep on saying I don't have problem about it. But if I can go for more proven striker, I will go. I will go and sign Osimhen ahead of Liam Delap. I will go and sign Victor Yogris, Isak and co ahead of Delap. But just bringing him, I don't have a problem with that. Yes. And when we look at this, our Chelsea team, yes, our owners, they did some signings. At the end, it works, which we didn't think it would work. Even Chelsea signing Cole Palmer, some of us were against it. I won't lie. For me, that year Chelsea were to sign Cole Palmer, I was supporting Chelsea to sign Kudus. If you can remember, it was between Kudus and Palmer. So at that time, my data about Cole Palmer was limited. Even at that time, Cole Palmer was young. Cole Palmer wasn't having any data to prove that he can come to Chelsea and perform or do it. Until he came his first season, he performed superb, marvelously. I think last season he scored 22 goals. Cole Palmer saved Chelsea. Chelsea will finish well on the table last season. So until Cole Palmer even came to Chelsea and proved it. When Chelsea was signing Cole Palmer, nobody thought Cole Palmer is that good. Nobody thought Cole Palmer is that caliber of fantastic player until he came to Chelsea. The same as Cucurella. Even for Cucurella, his first season, he sacked. Cucurella first season, everything was bad. To some extent, Chelsea was to loan him to Manchester United. God forbid, it never happened. Thank God, the God of football. Now we are seeing what Cucurella is doing in world football, not for only England or Chelsea. In European football, best left back in the world as we are speaking now. So far, this season, no player used Cucurella. No, he pocketed everybody. Saka, Salah, Elanga. He just stopped all his markers. So this season, we saw what Cucurella gave to this our Chelsea team, in which when we were signing him, even City refused to pay that 55 million or 50 million and said he was a striker. That fee was too high. But Chelsea will pay it. Now we saw what Cucurella is doing. The same as Moses Caicedo. When Chelsea signed Moses Caicedo, 150 million, especially Liverpool fans, they were saying that Caicedo will flop, Caicedo can't do it in Chelsea, Caicedo what and what. Yes, his first season things didn't work well. I won't lie. I think under Porter, that season we finished tough. So Caicedo also, his first season, yes. Today's Caicedo wasn't that Caicedo in his first season. This season, Caicedo is super fabulous, fantastic. Yes, so excellent, so good. I'm telling you. I can't just see me saying that I can't compare Caicedo to anybody or Cucurella or all our players. I'm saying I mean it too. I'm not saying because I'm a Chelsea fan or they are good. This season, these guys perform well. So this season also, Caicedo performing in which he didn't started very well. So these examples as a Chelsea fan give me hope that Liam Delap, he may come and prove us wrong. Yes, it gives me the belief, the motivation that Liam Delap can also come and do like Cole Palmer, Caicedo, Cucurella. They are doing it this season. Guys, yes, to be honest, the guy is good too. Delap is good, but our issue is his reliability. The issue is his numbers. The issue is he is inexperienced. And we have someone or some strikers who are better than him in the market. So why not Chelsea should go ahead and sign those players who are better than him? That is our issue. It isn't that nobody is saying that Delap is bad. No. But if someone is better than Delap, I will go for that someone who is better than Delap. For me, that is my issue. And I think and know that all Chelsea fans, that is our issue here. Telling our owners to go and bring us experienced striker. We want reliability. A striker who already scored the goals. A clinical striker. Someone who have the numbers, the data to be proven. And Delap doesn't have it. But as I said, nobody saw Cole Palmer coming. Nobody saw Cucurella coming. And nobody saw Moses Caicedo coming with all this, their good performance. So this gives me hope that, guys, if Chelsea signed Delap today, official, Chelsea completed the signing of Liam Delap. Mohamed Suleiman and Richman, I'm going to support him till he leaves Chelsea. Because he is now one of us. Or he will now be one of us. He will now be a blue. His blood will now turn to blue. He will now be Chelsea player. And I am a Chelsea fan. I was supporting Chelsea before Chelsea signed Liam Delap or any other player in our squad. I'm supporting Chelsea. So if Chelsea signed Liam Delap today, because I am supporting Chelsea, I'm going to support him 100%. I'm going to wish him all the best, provided I'm not supporting this signing. If Chelsea signed Liam Delap, I'm welcoming him. Liam Delap, come and succeed. Come and give me the goals. But I still stand that this is a risky signing because I don't have any data to prove that Liam Delap, he is a good player, or he can come to Chelsea and prove it, or score the goals, or be an upgrade to Jackson, or better than Jackson until he come and prove it. But as I said, guys, let's hope he come and perform. Let's hope he come and show to the world as Cole Palmer, Caicedo and co are doing it, like Cucurella and co are doing it this season. Guys, that is my belief. So Chelsea is now in close to land Liam Delap. Yes. And another issue about this transfer, guys, Chelsea to sign a striker. Victor Gyökeres, Delap, Ekitike, and Sesko. All these strikers' names are on the list of Chelsea. And Chelsea, or information said that Chelsea want to sign 2 strikers this season. Yes. But Chelsea want to sign a striker to play with Maresca with this FIFA club tournament. And even FIFA opened a transfer window for those teams who are going to participate in England, Chelsea and City in the FIFA club tournament. FIFA gave them from 1st June to 10th June. They can sign a player, and even that player can join Chelsea or join Man City. Yes, they can sign. So Chelsea want to sign a striker to play with Enzo Maresca in the tournament coming, the FIFA club tournament competition coming, because they now need a competitor with Jackson. And our owners want us to do well in the club tournament, the club competition, and maybe even hopefully win it. Our owners want us to win the tournament or perform well there, because when you go and look at the prize money there, the money there is looking nice. And you know this, our owners, when we come to balancing their books, yes, they are good on that. So the money, so they want to sign a striker to go and play with Enzo Maresca. That is why they are working on Delap deal. They wanted to sign Ekitike, but because of the fee, 80 to 100 million, so now they return to Delap. And Delap own, it look like it is about to happen, because today's transfer market, no one knows, because so many teams interested. Manchester United, I haven't heard Newcastle, Everton, and co. So, but it look like things will happen. So just want to sign whether Delap or Ekitike to play with us, yes, in the club tournament. After that, Chelsea will go back to the market and sign another striker. But because of this tournament, Chelsea want to bring a competition to Jackson for Chelsea to have the more chance of winning the FIFA club competition. So that is why they are signing Delap, or they want to sign Delap. But Delap signing is not stopping Chelsea signing another striker. It's not stopping Chelsea signing Osimhen if Chelsea will sign Osimhen. It's not stopping Chelsea signing Ekitike if Chelsea will sign Ekitike. It's not stopping Chelsea signing Victor Gyökeres and Sesko. Chelsea, they are going to sign 2 strikers this season, but 1 striker to help Jackson in the FIFA club tournament. So guys, the transfer window is about to open. So many things will happen. So many things will happen. We can still get that experienced striker, because our owners, they saw it. They saw it that we need experience in this our young talented team. So anything can happen. Anything is still possible, guys. Chelsea can still go into the market and sign Osimhen. Chelsea can still go into the market and sign Victor Gyökeres, Isaac, who and who, Sesko, who and who. Yes, as I said, Chelsea is going to sign 2 strikers this season. So guys, that is another hope or another option about Chelsea signing a striker. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea landing Liam Delap. Chelsea is closing agreement to sign Liam Delap. Let me hear from you. Do you think we need him? Do you think he will be a right player for us? And do you think he can come and be, yes, the solution to our goal scoring problem in Chelsea? Do you think Liam Delap, he is an upgrade version than Jackson? And do you think in the future Liam Delap can even be a better player like Moses Caicedo, Cucurella, and co in this our Chelsea team? Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. And yesterday we gave you a podcast about our winning. Yes, Chelsea winning the Conference League. Chelsea completed the first team ever to win all the major European trophies. And some fans are saying that we should be celebrating because we are Chelsea. Conference League is a small trophy for that matter. No, they don't regard it. What and what? That video is coming. I have a full video for that. I'm going to see. Please turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button. Hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.